bringing Kokatag to LA.
Where are you from again?
Local, Inland Empire, Corona.
Okay.
Thank you again.
How do you feel about
Oh, I feel so emotional.
Umiyak kayo?
Oh yeah, I feel teary-eyed because of that. Yun lang yung naranasan nila.
What's your message to the others who are watching this in San Francisco?
Oh well, just continue fighting.
Thank you.
Oh, I really love it. It shows yung ano nila, yung pagiging passionate nila sa craft nila. So I really love it. Thank you, thank you. Nakakaiyak. Wait, baby.
This is your son?
Yes po. Sorry po. It's a good movie. It's a good documentary. At least we've known them.